You are welcome to Kevin Braswell YouTube channel.
During the recently webcast media press event known as Omega Days 2022, the company introduced several fantastic new models, demonstrating that they are further pushing upscale while covering every product area with range expansions and breakthrough watches. This year, practically every line has been updated with numerous brand new Omega watches. As we get closer to watches and wonders, I can't wait to find out what Omega's competitors will launch and which other timepieces industry professionals and customers will use as a benchmark when evaluating the 2022 new Omega watches. Welcome to Luxurious Dreams. Today, we will talk about the new 2022 Omega release. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. Let's jump to the topic. Some call it the Omega Seamaster Ultra Deep, while others add Planet Ocean. It is just the 2022 Omega Ultra Deep, and it boasts unique qualities that distinguish it from any other Seamaster or Seamaster Planet Ocean introduced thus far. Ultra Deep is a short and bold moniker that sums up Omega watches' next big thing among ultra-professional diving watches, the result of the brand's skunkworks that raises the bar in this class of products to such a degree that it outperforms the Seiko Group and Rolex in one go. The Ultra Deep project also demonstrates Omega's willingness to listen to watch enthusiasts and, in this example, experienced divers. While adhering to the ISO 6425 standard is no longer breaking news in the business, building a helium-proof case capable of withstanding pressure at 6,000 meters below sea level is quite a feat and places the brand at the front of the never-ending race to conquer the ocean depths. The 45.5 mm wide and 18 mm thick case is similar to its immediate competitor, the Rolex Deep-Sea, but beats it in specs and, most importantly, engineering. As previously indicated, the steel, or titanium, case is airtight enough to be completely helium-proof. The regular collection now includes Omega Steel, the brand's first unique steel. A 6,000-meter water-resistant watch can sustain up to 600 bar of pressure or 60 mN per square meter static load. The average yield point of a normal 316L or 904L test piece in the benchmark is 220 MPa. According to Omega's official sources, the Omega Steel yield point is more than twice as high, at 560 MPa. The PREN index is significantly more perceptible to consumers over time and in daily use. According to Omega, OPREN Megasteel's index is several tens of % higher than 316L's compared to Seiko's Ever Brilliant Steel and 904L, the industry's only standardized steel so far. The Grade 5 titanium replica reissuing the prototype tested during Victor Vescovo's mission to the Mariana Trench is unquestionably the collection's hero. Titanium gives the enormous bulky case an unrivaled lightness when compared to its complete steel brethren. Please remember that a full steel Ultra Deep weighs more than 200 grams, although a titanium Ultra Deep and a Halo product are substantially lighter. No material can match the new steel's luster and premium feel. As an option, you may use steel on rubber to minimize weight. Bravo to Omega for breaking the rules and investing significant resources on a niche yet flagship product, the results being Omega Steel and a lengthy list of patents regarding the case, glass, and gaskets design, which is unique to this collection. The Ultra Deep in orange is my favorite. It's the ultimate luxury tool watch and uniquely Omega. In contrast, the smoked blue dial appears too similar to the Deep-Sea and dilutes the product's technical leadership. The Omega Ultra Deep costs approximately €12,000. It's the most costly Seamaster ever, but you get a lot of technical bang for your buck, and the build quality is superb. Here's a range extender with a lovely touch. The first ever Seamaster Diver 300M Green Edition adds to a product line updated in 2018. The green ceramic bezel features a Grand Fou enamel white diving scale. Grand Fou is often reserved for classic clocks. I can't wait to see how it looks in metal and compare it to the standard model. Regarding product specs, the Diver 300M Green keeps its 42mm broad and 13.56 mm thick case. Whether you like it or not, the Seamaster Diver 300M is the most elegant, and wearing, premium professional diver, with a distinctive case and bracelet design. Unfortunately, it is no longer as inexpensive as it once was. However, its €5,800 sticker price, steel on steel, remains reasonable within Omega's product spectrum. The new Speedmaster 57 is as important to the brand's bottom line as the Ultra Deep. While the former is about heaviness, exceptional performance, and muscular design, the new hand-wound speedy 57-foot model is about sleekness and sophistication. While a 1:1 321-powered CK2915 reissue, Canopus Gold accepted, is not on the horizon, Omega has worked relentlessly to improve the two-counter layout by examining the formula inside and out and slimming down the case size. The elegant Omega hand-wound caliber 9906 that equips the Omega chronoscope released last year is housed in the new Speedmaster 57. The 9906 includes a date window and is distinguished by an exposed one-piece bridge fully adorned with Côtes d'Arabesque. The caliber has the appearance of a Swiss-decorated yet faintly influenced Saxon mechanical mechanism, the three-quarter bridge. It's huge and only 6.4 mm thick, making the new Omega Speedmaster 57 thinner than a Moonwatch 3861. The case is near to 40 mils in size, and the dial retains the two-register easy-to-read configuration, which contains chrono hours and minutes at 3. This configuration allows the measurement of a second time zone as long as the clock functions. Nonetheless, I would have expected a larger power reserve. Remove the date window, and you'll have a fantastic alternative to a classic Moonwatch and a cheaper alternative to an Omega 321. The reduction in case width from 41.5 to 40.5 mm and the use of the Apollo 11 inspired bracelet make it an excellent purchase. Also, the 9906 has a column wheel movement, which explains why the starting price is roughly €10,000. Along with the main dial, you can select a set of colored dials that use classic superluminova and a sandwich dial for the first time. It appears strange, but I'm not sure why the new models give 50 meters of water resistance rather than 100 meters like the previous ones. Following their official unveiling, the Globe Watch community has pitted Omega enthusiasts against Rolex supporters, with the latter arguing they both appear too close to a gold Daytona. While it's no surprise that Omega is taking on Rolex, a Daytona and a Moonwatch have different pedigrees, histories, and technical specs. The two new Moonwatch Omega are the second Moonshine Gold edition following the Gold Apollo 11's spectacular success, and they add the sobriety that the limited edition Apollo 11 model lacked. Compared to the Sedna Gold variations, the green and black bezel inlays are ceramic. The PVD-treated dial of the green Moonwatch smooths the gleaming yellow gold, while the dial on the other type is Moonshine Gold. The premium offering of the Moonwatch Moonshine Gold collection is now complete. You may now order a 3861 in Sedna or Moonshine Gold. I'll go with the green Moonwatch with a leather band over the integrated rubber strap Moonwatch Moonshine Gold Panda. By all means, an integrated rubber strap is not a Moonwatch. Prices range from €26,200 for the green Moonwatch on a leather strap to €38,900 for the Moonwatch Moonshine Gold Panda with the bracelet. If you made it to the end of this video and are interested in knowing more, let us know which part of the video you liked the most in the comments section below.